What is up, you guys? It's Phoebe with In the Know. Today I'm gonna walk you through a super easy DIY hack for removing your makeup with a cucumber. Cucumbers are a natural anti-inflammatory. They help soothe irritated skin, and they even help treat and prevent acne. So I thought it would be fun to try this hack if you ran out of makeup wipes, or if you've just been looking for a more natural way to remove your makeup. This is what you should do. Okay, so I have these like little baby Persian cucumbers. I tried to use the amount that I thought would equal one large cucumber. I went with 4. They look like pickles, but they're cucumbers, I promise. And you're gonna start by peeling them. After you've peeled them, go ahead and chop them up. Now for the mixing process, you could either mash them up with like a muddler or something like that. I didn't have that, so I threw the cucumbers in a blender and blended it for about 7 seconds. And then you're left with this like cucumbery paste. It should be the consistency of a smoothie. If it's more like juice, you've blended it too much. Time to scoot up. I have on only a little bit of concealer, dark lipstick, eyeliner, and mascara. If you have thicker makeup on, I would suggest adding either olive oil or milk to your paste. That will help maybe like thick foundation or like a lot of eyeshadow. But we'll see. I don't know. I'm talking. I haven't even tried it yet. I don't know why I'm nervous. Oh yeah. That is what it should look like. And we're off to the races, people. Oh, feels very weird. It's a little messy, so I don't know, maybe I should just be doing this over my sink. I'm debating if I need to add olive oil or milk to my solution. Please hold. And we're back. Just gonna, whoop, that should be good. Round 2. It's definitely working better. So yeah, maybe add olive oil to start. That was my bad. I'm only doing one side of the face so I can like see how well it's come off. If you're wondering why I'm taking off my makeup in this weird way. Okay, this side of the face is totally off. I love it. I'm gonna do the other side. Okay. And that is it, folks. My makeup is off for the most part. Yeah. I mean, I would obviously wash my face after this because I put olive oil on it, but super easy hack, super easy recipe. Also, my face feels really dewy and smells like a juice bar. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.